Hi, it's Tracy from Cooper BMW at York. Today I thought I'd demonstrate some of the features of the new 3 Series. In particular, what I'm going to show you today is its self-parking ability. It really has got to be seen to be believed. It's extraordinary. Let's go have a look. So here I am at Cooper York's car park, just pulling in now, and I'm going to set the car up to find a space. So it's really nice and simple. So the first thing I do is just press this button here. This is the parking button, and that then sets this up on the screen here. You can see that it's in park assist, and as I drive along it will start picking up the various spaces that are available. Now as I keep driving now, actually there's a space here, and as we watch on the screen, it's picked that parking space up. So one of the things you've got to do is make sure you've got your seatbelt on, hit the button, and then basically follow the instructions. Take your hands off the steering wheel, it indicates, and then starts doing the rest. You can see there on the screen. Now I'm not touching the pedals at all, or the steering wheel. It's doing absolutely everything on its own. Okay, and when the car comes to a stop, it turns everything off, bleeps to tell you. How incredible is that?